Yan, welcome to another video. This is Attorney Elmer Lucero. Ngayon naman talakayin natin yung issue ng mga kasal na binasbasan ni Mayor Alice Go nung siya ay hindi pa nasususpend bilang mayor. Valid ba o void yung mga kasal na binasbasan niya? So, sagutin natin. Pero panoorin muna natin yung video ng News 5 Everywhere at magkomento tayo after. Okay? Simulan natin.
Ang mga kasal na binasbasa ni dating Bamban Tarlac Mayor Alice Go. Yan po ang tanong ng isang kongresista sa patuloy na pagtatalo kung Chinese o Pilipino ba si Go. Nasa frontline ng balitang yan, si Marian Enriquez.
Sakaling mapatunayan ngang hindi Pilipino si dating Bamban Tarlac Mayor Alice Go, paano ang mga binasbasan niyang kasal kung hindi naman pala siya otorisadong gawin ito? Yan ang tanong ni 4Ps Party List Representative JC Abalos sa plenary debates ng budget sa Kamara.
Kasi nakalagay po sa ating batas na kung walang authority to solemnize ang isang solemnizing officer sa isang kasal, void po ang kasal. So ang ibig sabihin po nito, magiging void na rin po ba lahat ng mga Pilipinong ikinasal niya?
Okay, so void ba o valid yung kasal na binasbasan ni Mayor Alice Go anong hindi pa siya nasususpende? Sagutin natin, no? Bisitahin natin kung anong sinasabi ng batas. Basic requirement, kung anong sinasabi ng batas regarding sa validity ng isang marriage. Okay? So, under the family code. Okay, under the family code. So, what are the essential requisites of a marriage? Under Article 2, no marriage shall be valid unless these essential requisites are present. First, we have legal capacity of the contracting parties who must be a male and a female. So, dapat mayroon silang legal capacity. That's the first requirement. Second requirement for the essential requisites, we have consent freely given in the presence of the solemnizing officer. So, these are the two essential requisites. Article 3 provides for the formal requisites of a marriage. First, authority of the solemnizing officer. So, ito yung issue natin. Authority of the solemnizing officer. Second, a valid marriage license except in the cases provided for under Chapter 2 of this code. So, dapat may marriage license. No? Dapat may marriage license, a valid marriage license. And third, no, of the formal requirements, a marriage ceremony which takes place with the appearance of the contracting parties before the solemnizing officer and their personal declaration that they take each other as husband and wife in the presence of not less than 2 witnesses. So these are the essential and formal requisites. Under Article 4, sinasabi dyan, the absence of any of the essential or formal requisites shall render the marriage void ab initio. So kung absent, walang authority, yung solemnizing officer, void ab initio yung marriage. Okay? So, void ab initio yung marriage. However, may nakalagay sa Article 35. Okay? Under Article 35, ang nakasaad dyan, the following marriages shall be void from the very beginning or void ab initio. So, first, we have those contracted by any party below 18 years of age, even with the consent of parents or guardians, shall be void from the beginning. And then, second, those solemnized by any person not legally authorized to perform marriages unless such marriages were contracted with either or both parties believing in good faith that the solemnizing officer had the legal authority to do so. So, dito babagsak yung issue or yung case ni Alice Go. Although wala siyang authority, as mentioned, no? One of the formal requisites of marriage is the authority of the solemnizing officer. However, if one of the parties or both parties believe that the solemnizing officer has the legal authority to solemnize the marriage, then the marriage is valid. And I suppose, yung mga kinasal ni Alice Guo, naniniwala, no, na siya ay may authority magkasal during the time na kinakasal sila. So, Article 35, Paragraph 2 will apply. Okay? So, yung tanong, ulit, sagutin natin, valid ba yung mga marriages na binasbasan ni Mayor Alice Guo? Valid po. Valid po. No? Kasi, we presume na naniniwala naman yung mga kinasal niya, no, na mayroon siyang authority during the time na kinakasal, na nagkakasal siya. No? So, naniniwala yung mga parties sa kasal, no, na during the time na kinakasal sila ni Mayor Alice Guo ay mayroon siyang authority to solemnize their marriage. Kaya valid po yung marriage nila. Okay? So, hanggang dito na lang. Maraming salamat.